Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahidah from AP2294D. Today, we would like to present to you about the best refurbishment proposal from our group. Chapter 1 is the proposal, which tells about all of the three proposals and choose the best proposal based on the criteria and fulfill the purpose of assignment. Proposal number 1 by Muhammad ZIKKRI bin Arifin at ZIKKRI Warung, Kota Baru, Kelantan. Proposal number 2 by Muhammad Shafi bin Suaid at Sangkatala Bubble, Tangkak, Johor. Proposal number 3 by Raja Nusyahidah binti Raja Azman at Hirat Catering Service, Kelang, Selangor. After examining all three proposals, we found that the proposal proposed by Muhammad Shafi bin Suaid had the necessary criteria in the selection of the building to be refurbished. The available criteria include the new plan that is proposed to maximize the space available in the building and add more aesthetic value to the building. In addition, the proposed renovation of the space adds more human comfort to the owners of the building as well as the visitors who come to the building.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening. My name is Muhammad Shafi bin Suaid from AP22940. So, I would like to talk about the existing plan and the section and drawing. In this report, there are a total of 3 proposals that have been proposed, which is from Raja, ZIKKRI and Muhammad Shafi. Then we have decided to choose the best proposal from Shafi. So, for the plan and section and drawing, this building function is barbershop. Then we want to make an station for this building. There are total only one area, which is working area and small counter. So with the extensions, about 2 meters of extension, so we can make the working area more large and can provide one more chair for the barbershop and also make a space for the counter. So for the existing plan, there are only 2 chairs for the barber. While for the outside of the buildings, we also propose a new balcony, which is the function can be a new waiting place for the customer, which is include table and also chair for the customer. Lastly, for the details drawings, we have choose the element of the wall, which the detail of the wall is 113mm thick brick wall with 19mm plaster, cement on both sides, and for the finishing wall, for exterior finishing with green color and exterior finishing with blue color and use accent for every 4 layer.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad ZIKKRI bin Arifin from class AP2294D. I will present about the diagnosis of defect. Paint blistering usually can be identified when the paint wall is uneven and the bubble of flaky paint is visible. The paint will become flaky and detached from the wall or surface. Over the time, the flaky and blistering paint area will completely be detached from the wall and later exposing the wall to environment. Paint blistering and bubbles in this building probably due to the too much exposure to humidity due to the air conditioning usage. This will make the paint at the wall to bubbling. Bubbling is a condition where the paint is upraised from its place and make a bubble shape. There are several possible causes of the defect. First, humidity. It is either the paint was applied on the wet or moist surface during painting the surface, or too much exposure with humidity from the environment. Second, lack of surface preparation. This problem occurred before the painting work started. The painted surface was not cleared and cleaned properly that left some debris on the surface. Debris will prevent from paint to apply properly on the surface. Thus, the paint will be blistered over the time. The prognosis of defect. Aesthetically, peeling of paint causes a building to lose aesthetic value. However, there are several issues that are much more worrying than aesthetic value. When the paint peels off, the surface of the concrete wall will be exposed to environment. The concrete wall then risks to moist tread. This makes the moist or flowing water to absorb into the wall, which in time can cause to make the concrete wall weaker in terms of strength and durability. Next, for remedial work sequence. First, demolition work. Remove all the equipment and furniture in the building and make sure the site is clean from any obstacles. Second, remove any electrical wiring and cable that's attached to the wall that will be demolished. Next, remove any windows or opening that attach to the wall. Start at the wall by demolishing the mortar plastered at the wall using suitable tool. Remove and clean all the hack, mortar and debris from the work site. Clean and clear all the wastage and debris of the work site. Make sure to clear the new site for new wall extension. Next, for remedial work sequence. First, demolition work. Remove all the equipment and furniture in the building and make sure the site is clean from any obstacles. Second, remove any electrical wiring and cable that's attached to the wall that will be demolished. Next, remove any windows or opening that attach to the wall. Start at the wall by demolishing the mortar plastered at the wall using suitable tool. Remove and clean all the hacked mortar and debris from the work site. Clean and clear all the wastage and debris of the work site. Make sure to clear the new site for new wall extension. For remedial work for peeling of paint blistering, first, remove all paint. Prepare to remove the old paint using suitable tools such as scraper or wire brush. Second, clean the surface, preparing the surface that will be fixed. Concept of preparing here is to ensure the wall or surface that will be painted is completely dry and clean from any debris. Third, fix the surface. This means to fix or patch any defects, hole or crack that will be found on the wall using suitable tools such as putty knife, fiberglass mesh tape, and so on. Lastly, painting work. Ensure to use the right type of primer coating. Apply the primer coat thoroughly the wall and ensure there is no unpainted space left. Primer coat is necessary to protect the wall against the moisture and allow the paint to stick properly to the wall.
As for the costing and estimating, there are 4 sequences of work, which is demolition work, new work for external brick wall, new work for plastering work, and new work for painting work. The cost for demolition work is Ringgit 308 and 13 cents. For the total new work is 5,465 Ringgit and 59 cents.